Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Person was coming to say, why did you people not quarrel? Why did you people quarrel? It is not good. It is good. Blah, blah, blah. I said, did they send you? Then send you call for me. If they send you, they already know the answer. I don't like what I eat. Now I am going to work. You can call next time. I think, was it the next day or so? The person called back again. The person was just, the thing is heavy in the person's mouth. I said, didn't you call and ask her what happened? I did. She tell me this, she tell me that. I said, so, matter have gone out of hand to the extent she went to solicitor, bragging to bring my resources down, bragging to make me and my household beg for food to eat. That is how far I go. So what is the meaning of all this? What is the meaning of all this? Please, I don't have time to talk. I let the person be. This evening again, I sit down. The person started calling me. The person sent me an audio. And I want to tell you that I'm going to call you. I don't want you to be surprised. I will put her on the phone. See, people of this world, I come to tell you people, make una help me tell Ewu Gambia. Make he go find in peace where he lost time. Me, Lolo, I know they find peace. I have my peace. Who no get peace? Now for these two I born, then they foresee. The only person we know they see, now the person we blind. Make una help me tell Ewu Gambia. Stay away from Lolo. Stay away from me. Stop sending somebody to come and beg, to come and settle. I don't need your settlement. Go and make peace with God. When I ask you to come out on live video, kneel down and apologize to my dead parents, you say no. Say you nowadays, she. The day you come and say you are doing a stupid apology, you started apologizing to Ogbola Negusi, adding my name and my household name to it. And I said, no, I know they take. I know they take. I know be God. But now wait see I want. Now I want. Nobody can minimize it for me. If you cannot do it, then you get lost and get out of my sight. You had the chance to do it, but you were feeling too big and you said you have the power. So what is your problem? What is your problem? Why are you now tormenting my life now? Going underground to settle with all the enemies around your head. You know reach you. Now you don't finally want dear to come to me. I go talk her for public. Stay away from me. If you are waiting on the other side of the phone, putting all those people to be calling people, and then you be on the background to be listening to the conversation, stay away from me. Stay away from me. You have tried your evil manipulative way and it did not work. Stay the hell away from me and my household and my telephones. What were you thinking? That you can bully me to go indoor? That you can torment my life or frustrate my life? You never knew who I was. You thought because I was loyal in the friendship, you thought you knew more than me. You thought you were the bigger one. You thought your big mouth is better to shout and the whole world will hear. Stay away from me. Don't give a hook if you and your friends think, oh, she's wicked, she don't want settlement. I don't need settlement. Her settlement do not buy burger for my children. Her settlements do not buy pizza for my children. Her settlement cannot afford chicken for my children. So I don't need it. Her settlement has nothing to do in my life. So if she's missing her peace, she's missing her life, let her go and find it the day she sold it on social media. Let her go and find it there. When I gave her conditions, she refused. So let her deal with her life the way she see it. Please, people of this world, help me to beg her to stay away from me. If any other person call me again, she will not find it easy. I will not be this nice. If anybody call me again, come and be doing so, you will not find it funny. I am warning you. If anybody call you, talk about it, tell them no is no. You don't want. If you are missing your peace, tell them you are the one looking for peace. You will know where you drop it and you go and pick it there. You hear me so? If anybody come at telephone again because of you, or put you on the other side of the phone and be calling my number, you will see what I'll do to you on this social media. See, as I suffer, they mind my business. I be like, say, you know, like her. You know, like her, Abi? You know, like her. As I heard they mind my business, so my Baba God, they bless me. You know, like her. You find where you want for contact for inside. Stay away from me. Gone are the days. Gone are the days when you live under the grace and mercy of Lolo. Go and find your own. Stay away from me. You have tormented all my family, all my fans around the globe. You know, reach you. You know, succeed. Carry me to one juju to the other. Carry juju to my house, one after the other. You and your friends turn yourself and yourself to Ayelala meat. Juju has meat. What do you think that you get me down? You know, possible. Una don't do, una don't tire. You know, work. You carry yourself to solicitor. You know, work. Now you define Nasaga made the talker. No, everything I said about you is true and it remains true. Go and find your peace where you dump it. The day you sell your piece on social media, go and look for the customers that bought it and pay you money on YouTube. Go and collect it from them and return their money for them. One woman to tell me, say, my Peking, don't worry. Don't worry. Enemy are here and bomb she go gear. The money you used to sell your piece for them, they were giving you money that time. Were you not happy? You were selling your piece for them. Go and find out the customer that bought your piece. Let them give it back for you. Go and find them. Go and find your customer you were selling your piece for super chat money. Go and find them. It's not with me. Stay away from me. You see, as I am, so I am very, very happy. One person watch me, I am super excited. Two person watch me, my joy is runneth over. It overflows. You understand? Go and find your peace. Stop going underground, looking for who you want to make peace with. When you were selling it on social media, you did not remember you will need it. Did you remember you will need it? Look at me very well. Lemanya, I am not your regular customers that you insult and say sorry. I am not your regular customers. You know where your regular customer is that you cost today and settle tomorrow. Mwanka. For all the years we play, I told you. Didn't I? I am not your regular customer. You cost me today, settle tomorrow. Even husband, and they talk him. I know they take him from her. You cost me gwese today, tomorrow you tell me, say, baby, alpha. My bio. They ever born that man. You know possible. Because I know myself. A lawyer for friendship no mean say I'm stupid. When the whole world see it that I was stupid, I was still lawyer. I was still lawyer. You don't contract my matter to every Tom, Dick, and Harry on this social media to make sure they choke my enemy, but you did not succeed. Now you are finding who will go and help you. Oh, I talked to her. She's so happy. She's very happy about it. Yes, you people are going to settle again. Eyo, we see. Eyo. Okay, your new style now. Oh, they try to go settle with her. No green and wicked person girl for giving her. Now today, you are not a national item. They be a national item. One of they sing and they go. The girl for giving her. The girl for giving her. Now today. Not be today. Who love me, go love me for who I be. Whether you they see unforgiving spirit or you know they see unforgiving spirit is your business. Now, na national anthem. Leave them that they fool themselves for you. Now, na national anthem, not be be. You get unforgiving spirit. You get unforgiving spirit. You get unforgiving spirit. If you let money carry enter 2022, as long as he did not stop my salary entry my account, now they waste enough time. As long as you now forgiving spirit no make they sack me for work and make me and my family live on the street. Now, Nasabi, stay away from me. I don't need your peace. You lost your peace on social media. You sold everything precious to you on social media. If only I know what is happening there, what is my business? What you call concern me? Excuse me. I don't even know what is going on. Mona, tell her, make it stay away from me. Why are you crying here? Me, I don't even know what is going on, okay? Harrison. No, let me not block you. Let me play the audio because of Harrison. The one they are using to come and beg. You think I am joking? You are stupid. Do I look like your regular customer? See, let me play it for you. You dey crazy, they mad. I look like your regular customer. You see all those regular customers, I'm not like that. You don't insult me and come and do, I am sorry. If Abat come me, I have no idea. I know they watch, I know they see. What you call me? Abat come call I that one call me. You know go tell now say they don't go beg Abat for back. Make it come. You know tell now. See now so they can't do for inside my telephone. See now. Now so they call they inside my telephone. You should be this one. Thank God my speaker is here. Let me play it for you guys. If you don't go back, go beg, finish. You go come from the form, say, oh, did I go settle? Oh, did I go settle? You see, huh? When this person earlier Kololo, you too much for. Yamana.
He called it by anyway, as in my background, you understand? I do know you. Oh God, I was very happy. There will be a light. And hello, madam, Koyo, Abota. Very sorry, let me just inform you something. Nejina is surprising thing to you. On a very good day, I conference with Akube. Okay, you are informed what you done. In case you call out at any time, just speak it. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna take care.
He don't go follow and talk. They don't arrange to come and call me on a good day. They'll put her for conference call. Maka why? Maka Guinea, your head correct. Your head is correct. Where you sell your piece, go pick them for there. People where you sell your piece, where they give you money, pay you for your piece where they give them. Go and pick it there. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. I don't need your settlement. You see your customer there. Go and beg them like that. All those I carry evil for you carry evil for them. Now, of course, we will know each other. But you see me, I'm not your regular customer. Stay the hell away from me. If you like, you settle with the whole world. I don't need you, and I don't need your customers around me. And what to go? You dey hear? You dey hear me? You and your customers. No. See, if you not see me more, na they run. You dey hear me? Make you and your customer, make una they run from me. I don't need any of you around me. Your settlement cannot buy the smallest happy meal of £3. Your settlement cannot buy it. But rather, your settlement will cost me thousands upon thousands. So stay the hell away from me. Do you understand? I've made it very, very clear. Stay away from me. Sitting behind the phone call to wait for them to come and be helping you call people. Stay away from me. Another RNG caller. She know who be that now. Listen, what will be your problem? You know yeah, what he talk. He said there for background. He go put you for call. You know the year. You know how to cry for yourself. See ya. Listen, what did the man talk? He say in caller. Listen.
He called it by anyway, as in my background, you understand? I do know you. Oh God, I was very happy. There will be a light, and you people will come back again.
You there?
For good, yeah. I'm just gonna answer me. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna just tell you the truth. I might say 1 hour. Okay, bye. Oh no, say me that I call you where I want to pick call. Anyway, I'm too busy, man. You understand? That's it. I do the room in my mama. Take good care. Happy weekend once again. Bye.
You Chris. Me and you look like how they do a regicon. You mad. Tell her me stay away from me. Stay away from me, Ewu Gambia. Stay away from me. I don't need your nonsense. See ya. They don't call me. See my phone. They don't call me tired. After I just hear the first one, oh, if I call you, that means he did. Then I say, hey. After the call enter, I don't need it anymore. I don't need it. Stay away from me. What I talk? Stay away from me. If you are doing underground begging everywhere, and later come and be proving, oh, now they can't apologize to me. Hey, shush! Can I go that side? Can I go that side? Not let them near my telephone again. As a matter of fact, this is your person. And block at the block and so. If you wake up in the morning, go see and say, don't enter block. You dial my number again. I live video now for answer. You'll see. May try call me messenger or anywhere again. Now, messenger, now live video now you go for year. Tell her, may stay away from me. I don't need it. I don't need anybody. In apology, in forgiveness. If you want to apologize, may go live video. May kneel down. If you still like to carry that opportunity where I give her that time, may still go use her. And if you use her finish, make it stay away from me. I go see her. I go answer with video whether I accept or not. The day she started insulting me, she did not add anybody to it. It was me alone, my father alone, my mother alone that she insulted. My family, my sisters, my everybody that she insulted. And if she want to do apology, she will go to live video. She will kneel down. I no go take sit down, I no go take stand. Now me, Lolo, now me talk. She go kneel down because my pa, mama no be her mate. Not even our last born say where that one pull leg, she no go fit pull leg and she know it. So tell them, if she want to use the opportunity, let her use it. If she want to use the opportunity, let her use the opportunity. If she don't want to use it, let her stay away. I know they do RNG. I know they do behind back. I know they do settle for your face. I don't need it. Stay away from me. If you want to use the opportunity I gave you last year, early last year, you can still use it. Go to live video, kneel down, do a video for my family alone. When you finish you off the video, you enter your house. From there, you go start to that piece where you lost. People where you sell them for, they go work, come back to you, come give you your money, you go collect your piece for their hand. If not, they don't carry your piece, you don't chop their money. And so we go there for you. Now the video where I can tell you that stay away from me. Stay away from me. If I receive any more call from anybody saying now you send the call or now you the call for, you know go like her. As I did my own so I like her. I don't need you around me, around anything. I don't need you. When she was selling her piece, she didn't know it would get to this. When I talked to her, she sound very good. You recorded my husband, twist the whole thing. And then you are using it on social media every day that pleases you. I am not your regular customer. I am not your regular customer. That you insult today, you carry in tomorrow. Don't try it. If you don't want another 20 years to add to the one you had before to make it 40 years of suffer, stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Shameless thing. After all you have done, you have the guts to be looking for underground settlement. Are you not ashamed? I thought you are the killer and the eater. I thought you are the killer and the eater. I thought your mouth is the widest on social media to say what you don't know. Everything I said about you is true. I will not take anyone back. I will not take anyone back. Everything I said about you, it is true and nothing but the truth. You are a big boy. A big boy. David, who be where you talk? Israel don't make it now and say, who be where you talk be live video. But be where you talk where lolo, ije lolo. Why ya bombe? Na no lamu. Uma where? Who we say, when everybody in our family and who feel begging. Why we for ne ulawawe. Every man who can't piece when I had to return it go where go. He had to return a piece where go. Do you understand? You are pass all the native doctor. Send all the native doctor. That woman in London. Now tell me you egbe. Arwa no real double. Elwe no. No, you said I may go juju man, please. Go ahead. Mommy, ya my buggy. Ya pe buggy. Mommy, ya pe buggy. I guess so there boy you. I be lolo wow. Magbe lolo wow. You tell me, I tell you, 9B. Am I before? So listen, I still get the video where they brag. I go make sure say that God remove my name for your mat. I go make sure say you go pay. I go pay. You settle matter, you go pay. You don't settle matter, you go pay. Yeah. You don't settle the matter, you don't pay finish now. Wow, Lord, yeah, idiot, no mama, I will be no mama. Stay away from me, eh? Just stay away from me. Stay the hell away from me. Da mago we jo ijike mago we mo si jo we gbe. Mo si jo we gbe. You open your dirty mouth and told me, let's go and fight on social media. I said, for what? When we have family? Oh, we go fight for social media. If not 3 fans I get me, I go start all over. All over na mago we start. O la le pa we lele ya kian. O lo underground ma ya nu ti e bona wa go ya yin yen. O gbe kian wa ye laja ojo au sesese. Nonsense. You stand by your word. Let your yes be your yes, your no be your no. Face your life. That go amawe. Face your life. That go amawe. O ho ya fe no we do with social media na. Dog we na mi ode. O dano kiro no jilawa. E de try. Anybody not here where oh let me go oh vigwa yo to your money la wo brother la wo sister ejo la ejo see oh yen wa gogo be ni yen ni basta stay away from me wo pa ma mi wo ya gba le kenu mo gogo we ji go look for it nonsense shorere stay there away from me. I'm a prophetess he gave because he only a prophetess in young gilly young. Why do I go be a going? Oh, bagging no cogino, I'm mad. I don't need it. Stay away from me. Why you say, Egbina? I called you on the phone and told you friendship is over because I want it that way. You day your day, I day my day. What's the meaning of this bullshit? What's the meaning of this hypocrite activity? Hello? It was just it's supposed to be a simple thing. Day your day, I day my day. Now so it's supposed to be. But what did you turn it to? You turn it to circus. Are you tired of dancing? Don't be tired. You're making wow. I called her on the phone. I said, friendship is over. I don't want friendship anymore. I cannot be friends with somebody you can't trust. Open your mouth. When I don't trust you. Look at this empty vessel. You know what they call trust? I don't trust you. From today onward, I'll be closing my mouth. I'll not be telling you anything about myself. Excuse me. And what the hell do you think I'm going to do with you? I take dump one for those me. Say, you know what? Get out. I don't want to be your friend anymore either. Get out. She now turned it to burial ceremony. Can't turn it to obito. Parana. Every day parana. You don't tire to dance. Where you can't define settlement for where they. Are you tired? Me, I have moved on with my life. It's my experience. If I want to do video, I will share my life experience. Nobody can go and come in. Close the door for me. Close it. You understand? It's my life experience. Nobody can tell me not to talk about it or not to refer to it. That doesn't mean I didn't move on. When something happened to you, you share your life experience to educate others, to warn others, to make others aware of it. That is what your life experience is, and nobody can take it away from me. That doesn't mean I have not moved on with my life. I have moved on with my life, and it's obvious everybody can see it. I have moved on with my life, doing my thing. But when it comes to using my life story to create awareness for people, I use it. So, I go fake life in a lot of things. In a go fake life, go. Okay, taking a blanket in the go fake life. Okay, taking a blanket. I almost become a blanket. I'm gonna disappear and turn to blankets that I was using to cover fake life just for a friend. At the end of the day, this is my thank you. Ba wo gwale na odogo we beg. Wa mi ya okye memenia, wa mi okye memenia, wa mi omeme uje you can't do that. Enwina awa wano. It won't work because usaba we na re maba we mi that way there. Despite the fact that the whole world has seen it that you are bad person to me. But I still remain loyal and clean-hearted to you. Today now you are looking for who you want to settle with. Today you are looking for who you want to settle with. Mekpa ne gbera ne ken we regional no parlor no nothing. Landlord is back. I cannot go to the parlor to do live video. Gbera ne megire level ni sharing one. This is my bedroom. Look at it. Okay. Oye gbowa. You see my bed? You see it? This is my bed. Loriari. A bedroom. Oye gbowa ta. It's for me and my husband. I know. That is bedroom and toilet over there. Idiot. Your mission is to come and tap from my grace and my blessing. I've seen it. Don't worry yourself. You are to come and tap from my grace and my blessing. But I don't want to share it with you. Even the put this right, it does be. I will not cut for you. That is your mission. Okay? That is your mission. And I will not cut for you. Or when we are seeing the whole world, settle with the old people. Let them come and be saying, oh, Lolo, I bet set. Anyone will go say, Lolo, I bet set, I'll just block you. Piam. Anyone will just say, I bet set, I'll just block them. Until I block all your squad. I block all of them finish. If you cannot watch me, see as I did live video, so if you see me say, no, if you watch me, my sister, waka pass. Waka pass. Now what you carry on now what I bring on social media now you can't listen to. No be my person. Now my person you can't take. No. It's what I have to offer. Is it motivating topic? Is it selling things topic? Whatever I brought to the table is what you come for. You don't live close to my house. How much more because of my video you come and maybe sit you there for me? No. It's what I am saying that will make you stay or make you go. So if you come and look what I'm doing and you don't like it, go. You cannot come and tell me what I will do with my personal life for you to like me because you are not my neighbor. You are not my sister. You are not my brother. When it comes to business, I can handle my business properly. Whatever business I'm being given, without no doubt, I can deliver weller. That one, there is no doubt. If you are not willing to try it, if you are willing to try it, it's also okay. I don't have a problem with that. Do you get? So you stay away from me, young girl. Go look for your life. Go look for your peace. Wherever you drop it. You sold it. If you don't remember, let me tell you where you sold it. It was on YouTube. You sold it for super chat money. Yes, now. If you don't remember, let me go and look for some of the super chats your people used to screenshot. Hey, you get money today. Meanwhile, you were selling your piece out. And none of them could say, Madam, bring change. They didn't collect change for you. You were just selling the piece and they were giving you all the money. You didn't give them change. You collected everything. Now you are not looking for your piece. And you want to come and find it in Lolo's side. No. Me, I was your light. I was your light. The light that made them to see you. Where they now? Haven't they left? Where is the YouTube channel? Is it not dead? It look like cemetery now. Nobody is there again. Yeah. No 1,000 watching there again. Why? What happened? See your life. See your life today. You will not tell how it happened. The people who are with you now, many of them don't even know what happened. Yeah, we know no who shit go forget, who pack no go forget. The people that are with you now, many of them don't even know how it all started. They don't even know what you did. All they do now is just come around and come and see. Why me, I have the people that still follow me, they are the people that knows Genesis to Revelation. That is why you still see them here. They have been following me from the onset. Those are the people who know me, who know what happened. Your own, they are all newcomers that were not even watching you before. They don't even know what the atrocity, what you did to me. They don't know. So anything you say to them now, they carry put for heads. You carry, they go. Why? Because you are very good at, I don't do nothing, oh. Now they come to me like this, oh. Now they come my house, oh. Now they come record me, oh. Now they come put up for media, oh. What a wicked friend, what a bad friend, oh. You not tell them what you do. You not tell them the kind, the poison where they come out for that your mouth before that video come out. You not tell them. You just carry that one put for their eye. Now they come my house, oh. Bad friend, oh. They can't record me, oh. Bad friend, oh. The venom that was coming out of that your mouth. The things that was coming out of that your mouth. Men and women were calling me to console me as if somebody just died. I was like, is it that bad? They said, Lolo, it is bad. Lolo, it is bad. The things coming out of our mouths. Lolo, what has happened to this extent? And that mad woman where they London one talk. Or we me no bouger Lolo. Or bouger or gberian. In fact, it not be LSF. Ya say gberian. Or quick gberian my way. Yes, na more time. Because there are some things you open your mouth to say and you don't say. There are some things I don't know mama. Just because I be fear your one when I be mu where it was salon. Do na emi ameni no buje lolo. Or bu egbukyo wawe. Or gbe. Useless non-entity. That's all that they test start to. For now, don't talk the thing, person reply now. Now come begin the shout. He can't tell me like this, so he can't cost my PQ. Why no cost? Now the thing will come out for your mouth. You know what it be. You know what it be. Lord Yeri. Ayo yo wa degbe sekenije. Wa degbe sekenije. Ya tije menu. Wen kata. Ya tije menu onu wefo. Inagu we dikedere ado ye woman like e. Iga tije menu. Ya tije menu. On your phone. When we go agage working okay battery nena. You have become a battery that uses yellow, green, and red. Just carry yourself like that, Carry the go because if I call mama for you, you know like her. If I call mama for you, you know go like her. Cause when you ya roko ni wa de gbe ya la lo bi dagbo kinu we e ba ni wa na yewe wa you know when ya la lo ko no la jan wo nu re u ya la lo e wo we meta mi ira ni a wuje me when I have not even said nothing to you. You brought my family to a family na me we era no marry retired abo ave retired second women or redo selu era ga kokinya ya yowa no do same buha era imulawa mu o re mano me ma joni yagu egun now you we ni no sek any when no wowo ni no ya gberi maybe ji me egun you will live to regret the day you started what you cannot finish more you will live to regret it. Except ula jami dagbo kinuna you know when you are your hoy de gbe ya mu to ina ya mu to there you will live to regret it more time. Or one who pretend people who follow you only may ya like him they refuse to believe the truth but you alone ain't can another way you alone ain't balloon row away you alone know it but those people around you our Guinean boy they will never understand what you are going through. So therefore, they will be encouraging you and making you to be faster. I do like all those people where they around you.